Hi everyone! Today we're going to practice skills that are very important for your academic success in Texas. Telpas, which stands for Texas English Language Proficiency Assessment System, helps measure how well you're growing in your English skills. Today, you will be practicing reading and writing. These are essential not only for doing well in school, but also for your future opportunities.
Why is Telpas important? Doing well on Telpas helps your teachers know how much progress you've made in learning English. It also helps us understand what you still need to practice. If you do your best and show how much you've learned, you might even exit out of the program. That means you won't have to take Telpas again. So it's very important to take your time and do your best work.
Today you will practice reading and writing. I will share with you good ideas to prepare you for the real test. Let's talk about the reading session of the test. When it's time to reading. Take your time and read carefully. Look for clues in the text to help you understand. If you don't know a word, don't panic. Try to guess the meaning from the other words around it. Use your headsets. You may have the recording portion of the reading session so that you can listen to it while you read. Answer to the best of your knowledge.
Let me share with you some good ideas for writing. Don't be too brief, write as much as you can. Be descriptive. Use words to explain things in detail. Be creative. Create your own story or idea to show your skills. For example, instead of writing, "I like pizza," you can write, "I love pizza because it comes in many flavors. Depending on my mood, I can order different ones. I like them with pepperoni, jalapenos, bacon, fried tomatoes, mushrooms, and even bell pepper. My favorite is pepperoni with extra cheese. On Sundays, we go and buy a pizza and then come home to watch TV while we eat it for dinner. Pizza is so delicious and makes us a happy family." So whether it's true or not, you just created a small story about pizza and it sounds cool. The important part here is that you're creating a story and you are taking your time to share it with us, the readers. It doesn't need to be a true story. All we want is for you to write and write well.
Finally, remember these general tips. Stay calm and focused. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath. Take your time. Telpas doesn't have any time limit. The test ends when you finish. If you take too long, you will stay with us until the end of the day to complete this test. So it's better to stay focused and work efficiently. Take short breaks to stretch while testing. This will keep you awake and help you concentrate.
Now, let's go over how to log in to the website and begin your practice test. Please follow my instructions carefully. If you have any questions, raise your hand and your teacher will come to help you. Number 1. On your Chromebook, open ClassLink. Once you're there, click on the app named EOC Star Practice Test. On the next page, scroll down and click on the first link that says Practice Tests Login. A new page will open. At the bottom, click on Sign In. Then, select your grade level from the list. On the next page, select Telpas Practice Sets. Then choose 2022 Reading and Writing Practice Set. Click Select on the following page. Next, complete the sound check. Finally, click on Begin Test Now.
You're all set. Remember, this practice is to help you feel more confident for the actual Telpas test. Do your best and stay focused. You've got this. Please raise your hand if you need any assistance. You may begin now.